This is a video of the review of surface area of prisms and pyramids. All right, first says to find the surface area of a rectangular prism. There are 6 rectangles on a rectangular prism, and there are 2 sets of each rectangle. All right, the first rectangle I'm looking at is the front rectangle. Length is 5, and the width is 7. We'll leave this F and B for front and back. 5 times 7 times 2, because there's 2 that are exactly the same size. That total is 70. Next, our bottom rectangle has a length and a width of 5 and 10. We'll label this top and bottom. And we have 5 times 10. That's one rectangle. There are 2 of those, so that total would be 100. And I also have this right rectangle here. It has a length of 10, a width of 7. It's the same as the left one, so I'm going to label this left and right. 10 times 7 times 2, which would be 140. All right, surface area is adding all of the areas of the faces. So our total surface area is 310. Our units are centimeters. That would be centimeters squared. Next, find the surface area of the triangular prism. You need to recognize that there are 2 triangles. They are the exact same size. And the formula for a triangle is base times height divided by 2. And you need to remember that the base and height must make a right angle to be used for your calculations. All right, there are 2 triangles. That means I will multiply this by 2. I'll do that at the end. All right, base of the triangle is 5, and the height of the triangle is 12. We're going to take that and divide it by 2. That would represent 1 triangle, but there are 2 of those, so I will multiply that total by 2. There's several ways to do this. You can have those 2's cancel out, or you can go ahead and calculate for 1 triangle. 5 times 6 is 30, and 30 times 2 is 60. All right, so our 2 triangles are 60. Next, let's look at our rectangles. Our rectangles, you need to understand, are 3 complete different rectangles because none of these have the same measurements. So I'm going to label this first one as the bottom rectangle. The bottom rectangle is 5 by 14. It's not a triangle, so we're not dividing by 2. 5 times 14 is going to be 70. And then I will look at the right rectangle. It has a length of 14 and a width of 12. 14 times 12 is 168. And let's go ahead and do this left rectangle. This one's the one that's, for me, it's hard to see. It has a width of 13, and this is parallel to this 14. So the length and the width of the left rectangle is 13 by 14. And that would be a total area of 182. All right, last thing that we do for surface area is we add all of these, including our triangles up here. So 60 plus 70 plus 168 plus 182. Total surface area is 480. And the units are meters squared. All right. Example number 3, find the surface area. This is a square pyramid. Our base is a square. So square is side times side, 9 times 9, or 9 squared. The total area of the base is 81. Then all of our triangles, they're called lateral triangles, and all of our triangles have a base of 9 and a height of 12. There are 4 lateral triangles because there are 4 sides of our base. So 4 triangles will equal base times height divided by 2 And because there are 4 of those, we will multiply that by 2. So 9 times 12 divided by 2 times 4, that is a total of 216 for a triangle. All right, surface area is adding the 2 or all of the faces, the base and the 4 triangles. So surface area equals 297. Our units are feet, and area would be units squared, so feet squared.